Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be talking about the GetX dialogs. GetX dialogs works very similar to the standard dialogs that you get with Flutter, like show dialog, show calendar, all of these sort of show methods. Except for one big difference is that you don't actually have to pass context through the dialog to actually show it, which I found in many cases is really helpful, especially if you don't really want to put the dialog in the UI layer. If there's maybe some error that occurs in a controller, you actually want to display a one of these dialogs sometimes. So anyway, today I'll show you how to make the two main types of dialogs, and then you can sort of use it however you want to. All right, let's get into it. From this example that I went through in my previous videos, I made a sort of list view builder and a list tile inside, which you can see down here. And at the moment, you can't actually click on any of these. And what I'm gonna do is just add an on tap onto the list tile, and then just add these get dialogs to it. So the first one that I'm going to show you is get.default dialog here at the bottom. Okay, so here's your default dialog, and as you could see, just from the start of it, this is what you get from the default, which is pretty nice, and it's really simple. So no context passed, nothing like that. So I'll just show you a few properties that you could actually set within the dialog. So you have title, which you could just set a string to it. So for now, what I'll do is use data index. Or actually, I'll just say this is, and then maybe just copy this part over here. So there you can see. Okay. Next, you can actually set the buttons. So we have a confirm button. We also have a cancel button. And what you can do is just go on the confirm or text confirm. So as you can see here, text confirm, I can say cool, and text cancel, we can just say close. And when you tap, you can actually see the two dialogues down here. And by default, when you tap on it, it actually just closes the dialog by default. And cool, you obviously have to set. So to do that, you just say on confirm, and then you just just say, call your functions from here. See, okay, yeah, see down there. Okay, and then there's also a lot of other properties which I won't go into too much, but you have content, and this is just a widget that you can set. You can make it a container or a column, and see over here. Okay, so let's actually just try to display a few properties. So I'll just copy this one. So the age and how about country? Gender. Okay, so yeah, you can see you can pretty much put anything in here. If you wanted to do a specific action, maybe like sort of a tick box or a radio button, you can put that in here as well, and then just set the on confirm, on cancel accordingly. Or cross. Yeah, so okay, this is the default dialog, and it's pretty nice because in a lot of cases you don't really want to, you know, write all of the boilerplate code if you want to do something very simple. So this actually allows you to just specify the buttons and the text, and it does all the rest. But if you do want to make a more custom dialog, there's actually an option for that too. So you write get.dialog instead, and now you actually have to pass a widget. So for that, I'll just create an alert dialog, which is usually the default to use. And now you can just specify all of the properties. You can create a shape, and for the shape you make rounded rectangle border and border radius. Circular. Okay, now we actually have to put the similar, we just put in the content. So first I'll create a title. And then instead of actually just specifying the buttons from that they already give it to you, you actually have to write it out. So for that you have actions, which is a list of widgets, and we can create a text button. Cancel. Get.back. And how about another one? And well done. yeah, so as you can see, here's the dialogues if you want to actually create your own. And that's pretty much it for this video. Not too much, but just some extra features and functionality that comes with Get, which is really nice to use. Anyways, guys, hope you like this video. Please comment if there's other ways you think you would like to use the dialog, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.